Okay, so it's Thursday morning. It is 8 a.m. I haven't got such a long ride today. I'm going off into the mountains. I realised over the last few days that when I'm riding down the road, I'm seeing all these beautiful things, and I'm seeing sort of central reservations full of flowers and mountains in the distance, and really beautiful things about Spain. And I record it, and I think, oh, that'll be a good shot. I'll stick that on the YouTube video. And then when I get back to my laptop and I look at it, it just looks like I'm recording a bit of road in front of the bike. You just can't see the beauty that I can see. And so today I've decided to go inland. I'm going up a mountain. Half of the road is track, so there's every likelihood I might drop the bike. So that'll make entertaining content for you. The owners of the estate, it's a 7-hectare estate with this little campsite in the middle. It's so far out that they've given me grid coordinates instead of an address. So this is going to be entertaining. So we're heading off. Got to fill up with fuel. They don't have any food or anything there, so I'm going to have to pick up groceries on the way. So I'll stop at a supermarket, get some bits and pieces, and then see if we can find this place, and then see if we can get there. But once we're there, as I say, it's 7 hectares. There's a little pool there, and you just basically have the whole place to yourself. So I'm there for 2 nights. So I'm going to go get on the bike, pack it up, and head off. All right, I'll see you on the road. Okay, so we got to the supermarket. So as I said, my accommodation doesn't have any food or anything like that, so they told me to bring groceries with me. So here we are at the Mercadona. The local supermarket. So let's go and see what we can find. I remember I've got to carry all the stuff on the bike. Okay, must be deep in Spain now. It would appear that nobody here speaks English. So lucky I've been doing Duolingo for 2 years. I'll manage. We have a slight tragedy on our hands in that they don't serve salad cream in Spain. So it's mayonnaise or nothing. Now guess what I just found, Anna? Raclette. Listen to that. Nothing. Just the sound of crickets. And the reason for that is because I'm in the middle of bloody nowhere. I've been going down this track for about half an hour. No signs of life at all. Nothing. So yeah, hopefully I'm going in the right direction. If I'm not, I'm going to be going for half an hour in the other direction. But I think this is right. I'm hoping this is right. Got lots of fuel, we'll be okay. Okay, I am officially lost. There's no shade, it's 40 degrees. And I just found this old wreck of a house that I've parked Friday under the shade of. So we're going to stop here for a little while, have a look at the paper maps, because SatNav isn't doing it the trick. See if we can find the grid coordinates. Hear that, Finn? Yes, actual geography, not just colouring in. And then we'll see if we can find where we're staying tonight and tomorrow. But it's beautiful, but lost. Okay, so it was 28 degrees at 9 o'clock this morning. It's now nearly midday and we're verging on 38, 39. It is that warm that I've stopped. And my foot stand is taking away the tarmac. Whew, nearly there. Okay, I made it. Finally found it. It was at the end of that track, just a long way down that track. It's a phenomenal place. So whereas I said before it was a room with a bed and a kitchen, I was right, but it's really nice, really nice. Check this out. Outside. So I think I got lucky on this one. So I'm here for 2 nights. So here tonight, staying here all day tomorrow, and then one more night, and then leaving on the Saturday. Saturday morning, and we're heading down to Gibraltar on Saturday. But yeah, I'm going to get this food in the fridge and then go and investigate the pool. Okay, so we made our way into Murcia. It's only an hour from the mountains. A few scary moments and some roundabouts because I don't think the Spanish know how they work, let alone me. It seems to be just lights everywhere and nobody really pays any attention. So anyway, we're in the centre, we're gonna have a wander around, spend the day here and then head back to the mountains. So let's get some footage. It's difficult to know where the centre of the city is. It just seems to be a sprawling metropolis of shops. So my plan is I'm going to head to the cathedral, because the cathedral is bound to be the centremost point, isn't it? So the cathedral is 15 minutes walk away, so I'm going to walk there and maybe on the way I'll work out how it all works. But it just seems to be random streets and random directions, all the shops on, which might be a good thing. Anyway, let's see if we can find a cathedral. I think I found what might appear to be the main street, which is actually the street that's leading to the cathedral. The unfortunate thing is that it's 9:39 in the morning and all the shops are shut, so I'm not quite sure where all these people are going. Kind of hoping the shops open at 10, because if they don't, well, what was the point in coming here? I'm trying to get some stuff. I lost a GoPro, so I left my GoPro on the bike and somebody half-inched it. So I left on that GoPro all of the attachments for my sound, which is why this sound isn't very good right now. So I need a tech shop that sells GoPro stuff. Yeah, hopefully they'll open up. Let's see. Still on the hunt for GoPro bits and pieces, but it's also about 1:45, so lunchtime, so if I see somewhere nice I'll stop. Don't really want to get on the bike in the midday heat, so I'll just linger for a little while in Murcia. luckily I put a pin on the map as to where I parked Friday, because I'll be perfectly honest, no idea where I am. Okay, 39 degrees, made it back to Friday. My helmet's still there, which is good news. Locked on with this little cool gadget. That's it for Murcia, and that's it for this video. Tomorrow I'm on my way to Gibraltar, so I'll get up early for that one, and you'll probably see that video in a couple of days. Alright, catch you soon, bye.